Welcome back to our series on HSA accounts. This is part 3. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, I'd really encourage you to watch those. In part 1, I just did an overview of an HSA account and how you can use it to your advantage. In part 2, I discussed many of the rules surrounding HSA accounts and Medicare. In part 3, we're going to be discussing beneficiaries. My name is Spencer Ford, Certified Financial Planner with Conservative Financial Solutions, and thank you for watching this video. Beneficiary designations and HSAs. Hopefully we'll keep this video short as there isn't a whole lot of information to go over, but there's some significant information to go over. Let's say you have an HSA account and you pass away. The beneficiary of that HSA account is your spouse. Awesome, no problem. They can use that HSA account and that HSA money for qualified medical expenses and still take that money out tax-free, including the interest. They can reap all the benefits of having an HSA account. Now, let's say you pass and you either weren't married or your spouse passed before you, so you left your HSA account to your children or to a non-spouse beneficiary. Now we have a problem. Specifically, we have a tax problem. When a non-spouse beneficiary inherits an HSA account, it's all taxed in the same year that you passed when it's inherited as ordinary income. Now, depending upon how much is in the HSA account and the beneficiary's tax situation, this can mean a good portion of the HSA account being eaten up by taxes. How can you avoid this? Well, there's two ways. Number one, use the HSA funds for qualified medical expenses anytime you have the opportunity. Number two, once you have passed the age of 65, the 20% penalty on an HSA account for non-medical distributions is waived. If you take a distribution for a non-medical expense, the distribution will be taxed as ordinary income, but you can stretch that burden out over several years instead of a beneficiary having to recognize the tax all in one year. I hope you found this series helpful and this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.